we said that for creating the content of web pages, we use HTML, while for modifying the appearance of the content that we have created, we use CSS. We have multiple options to apply CSS into our web pages and into our HTML. Well, the thing that we want to show you is the inline CSS. We just want to give you a brief overview over all of these different concepts. So in here, if you want to apply the CSS or modify the appearance of different elements that we have created using the HTML, we just add an attribute called a style in here. Now let's say that we want to change the color from the black that you saw in here to maybe green. So we say a style is equal to, and we write everything in here. Everything that is written in here would be considered as CSS code, and the browser again has some special meaning for these syntaxes in here that are written in front of the style. So we say color to be green, and if we save it using Ctrl S and refresh it, you see that the color has changed to green. Now we could also give it some width, maybe a width of 50 pixel, a height of 50 pixel, and a background color of red. Now if you save it and we go in here and refresh, as you see now we have a square in here with the width of 50 pixel and the height of 50 pixel. If I right click in here, go to the inspect the developer tools in the Google Chrome, and we go in the body and then H1, as you see, if you look H1, so in here H1 has the 50. If you look again, you see that we have 50 pixel times 50 pixel for both width and height. Now let's say that we want to create a circle in here and show the content in the circle. I just want to show you how these things work. So again, we could just go to our text editor in here, for example, say border, maybe 1 pixel or 4 pixel, solid red or solid black. Save it, refresh the page. You have some border in here. We could just say border radius 50%. Go in here and increase the width to maybe 450 and 450. Save it, go to the browser, refresh. You have a circle in here. Now we could change everything that has been done in the browser. So as you see, what we wanted to say in here was that using the CSS, we could change colors, the background colors, create different shapes, squares, circles, and everything that we want. So for modifying the appearance of all the content that we have created HTML, we use CSS.